Hello and welcome to Manipuri Abroad. You're watching Diaspora Speak. Diaspora Speak Impact TV na puthokjaba Manipur gi mapan da leiba naha ahan professionals larik tamba chatpa mayam akhoi pujarakpa dungba program amani. Program asida akhoina Manipuri gi hogalariba new generation, young generation singsida there is life beyond the border haiba Manipur khakta da yengba wakhalon nataba tongan ba career options mayam ama mapanda lei haiba pot adu unna bahona jabani. We are trying to give a ray of hope to the 7 lakh youths hojik akoi thabak phangdadana Manipur da leiriba lakh taret akoi si mapanda karmain todana akoi life ama semba yabage amasung Manipur da contribute toba yabage haibadugi matangdani ngasi akoi guest yamna interesting oiba guest amani. She is from Chandel. Chandel dagi akhoi local school amadagi haura aga GP Women's College da first akhoi GP Women's College Tribal Student Union gi president oina matungda Delhi jala matungda Croatia nama unaraga lohong la matungda Croatia da settle down leiba adugumba nupi macha amani. Let me welcome Hannah Enal. Welcome to our show.
Welcome, thank you.
Hannah she owns and run a spa haitare Indian spa na koba akhoi Zagreb ta Croatia gi capital Zagreb ta masagi oiba akhoi for last 7 years haitare Indian spa na run tobani. She's very much into akhoi promoting Indian culture there amongst the Croatian, but unfortunately for her Croatia da Manipur dagi me unlike other akhoi mangda togiba episodes in the Southeast Asian country bu wagera US bu wagera Manipuri macha mam leidana akhoi gi kaino toba akhoi cultural tradition exchange tobududi pak phangba jaga di oidaba Croatia da. She tells me that she is the only Manipuri she can remember who's there in Croatia, so it will be interesting. Ko Hannah yamna lonely oidra akhoi gi kaino da akhoi gi Croatia da ati topasu leiti habnina.
No, I'm lonely with this, sir.
Oide.
Yes, because I keep busy with my own job.
Okay.
Yes, so whenever I miss nowadays, there's a technology. Just go to Facebook, all your friends are there, and WhatsApps, and can call up anybody on the Skype. So I'm not lonely.
Okay. Even though you're far away,
yes,
akhoi Manipur dagi atopa leitragasu through technology you keep in touch.
Yes.
Okay. And but before we get further haitare ko nangi thabak sana wai sana ji thabak tanda karino nang no ki Indian spa na tawrese we know spa what spa is all about, but how hard has it been for you to open a spa there, to own your own company? Mi kya thabak tawi kamai tawi? Just tell us a few.
It was not hard. It's not very difficult because I was how to say experienced professionally from my job, and then I opened my own company so that I can work for my own, because working in Europe is very hard, but it pays off at the end. So I have around 2 girls who are local, and I am doing the main job, so I work 10 to 11 hours, like the whole week. And it's going very good because I also introduced about our Indian culture and tradition based mostly on Ayurveda. So like they are, I mean,
so Croatian sing Ayurvedic ki poche pambra.
Pame hoy. Yes, because it's a very natural. I mean, they have enough treatment of.
Atop spa ga di leitra Zagreb ta.
Laye. Yes, but
moina karamba type spa no nangi spa.
No,
which people prefer more haitare?
They prefer more because I'm the first Indian woman who has a Indian beauty spa in Zagreb. That's the capital of Croatia. So they found it something interesting since, like, as a foreigner, koi Manipuri dashu foreigner nu pia malaraga spa hangradi, like everybody will feel like going there. They think that that's much better. That, and moreover, I use a very natural product because they have enough kind of high technology, but I do based on Ayurveda, so it's very natural. My clients, my clients are very. I have a very good profile clients. Like even the doctors, lawyers, and models, and even the they're celebrity football players.
Okay.
So
And earning didum yabra.
yes, I am very happy with my earning because I love my job.
So
And they knew, they feel, you know, when you do your job with your heart, they knew. And they also love my hand. They always, I was in the TV, in the national TV for a few times. And fortunately, yes. And I also met the president. And I always have to talk that how we do in India, Ayurveda. We don't use any kind of machine or something. We use our own hand, which is like naturally given with Ayurveda herbal products naturally. So like they feel very natural and they feel very good and they feel healing. And once in the TV, they put me the golden hand of healing, you know. So I told, okay, I came from the golden land of Manipur, like Sanalaibak. And so like how it's, I'm just laughing, but you know, when we connect it reality, it connects. So I'm very,
so they're happy
really,
with you.
Yeah, and
so
I'm
any plan for expansion? Was it the for success with target? We want to expand it. We want to corporatize it. We want, you know, branches and the adugi wakalon lebra. Is your you know, your husband supportive in your business venture?
Yeah, I'm doing totally alone. My husband is aircraft technology, so he's very busy on his own job, and totally I'm handling alone, but with the help of Indian Embassy. I'm very connected with the Indian Embassy in Zagreb, so they are also helping me a lot. So we are trying to expand now. I have some Ayurveda doctors, but they're Croatians, and now we are going to invite Indian Ayurveda doctors. I'm in charge for the organizing seminar, workshop, gumbako, all over Croatia, and then so Croatia is Europe now. So Europe.
GPUN president activities
yes, that was the my, how to say,
that was your first experience
that really helped me.
Okay. So you are still leading seminar matoba. Ado Croatians, do they love all this Indian Ayurvedic? See, am pambra adagi kam to into winangi seminar gada.
Pame, once they become my client, they come like it's advisable to come 2 times in a week. Adubo, like it depends on their financial. So they come like every week, 2 times in a week. I mean, no, 2 times in a month, or every month. So it became their other how to say, their monthly treatment.
Session number is it costlier than India, or is it
yes, because the currency is higher there. So should
what's
I say there's a kuna, but we also use a euro. So like 1 hour is around, say, 25 to 30 euros. It depends. If you become my regular client, then I have to. Yes.
So you are planning to expand.
Yes, we have started.
You have started.
Yeah. With the help of this Indian Embassy and the Ayurveda
have
doctors.
You become Croatian citizen?
Not yet. I'm going to become by next soon.
So Croatia the settled Tauraga, you want to be a businesswoman?
Yes, I have been already, I should say.
And what about your husband's family? His name is Christian Blazic.
Yeah, right? Christian Blazic.
How did you meet him, and Croatia?
Oh, that's interesting. I was working in Delhi, like as the last job with the embassy, the Zimbabwe of High Commission, and he was also at that time working with
Zimbabwe Commission.
I was administrative assistant. So he was working also with the Croatian embassy. Then, like whoever works with the embassy, we have a kind of the place on weekends. We meet together and also. And then we came to know each other. So like then I fall in love. He fall in love. And then, but I was thinking, now I'm in love with foreigner, so I can't just take a decision. So I started that I should visit his country. He told me that he's bachelor. I know he's bachelor. He's alone, but you never know, you know. Then I take a time. Yes, anything.
They can cheat
you never know.
You
they will also say that we never know Indians, you know. And then I went for a holiday, summer holiday, and then I get to meet his parents, his mother, his father, and he has only one sister. So then I know the whole thing.
They liked you?
Yes,
the parents?
yes,
They
it
accepted
was
you?
very interesting for them. And then I also tried to find out that administration because my life in Delhi was whole life I was working with the airlines, with the embassies. So I thought that even if I get married, I cannot just stay there without any job. Then, like I have to know the language very well. For example, foreigner ama laksano ba shida in Palda. Thabak kok phangba yade ko because they really have to know how to speak and write Manipuri. Like
So
it's very important.
also-
So I came to know that I have to learn the language, and which is not very easy for me. So I found out that they are very interested into Indian culture, Indian beauty, Indian tradition. I'm interesting like Then I came to Delhi. And I went for a training all over. I became a student.
Okay.
Yeah.
So to settle down in a new country, I know what
You have to prepare. Yes.
You prepared yourself.
Yes.
Retrain whatever.
Yes.
But did you? So that means that being a spa owner or operator was never part of your career, natra?
It was not at all.
Kari wo ningi angang win adi.
My parents wants me to be like a government employee. Because if you are employed by a government, then you are secure. But I never I don't know, from my childhood, I never liked to sit in the office and work, So I always want to, go out somewhere and see the world, foreign chatting, foreign thapak torabadi, something always I feel like that.
You wanted to go to
Yes.
Abroad training badi tum lai
And then when I traveled with my uncle and auntie, they took me to Calcutta. And then when I see foreigners, I was very impressed, I don't know what's wrong with me. And then I was always hoping to go abroad, and I love to do what I want. And
But
that leads me today.
Foreign chat is when people talk about going to foreign European countries, London, Paris, US, not Southeast Asia and Singapore. Croatia of all the place. Croatia we know Croatia for the very reason Manipur is known to the rest of the world.
Yeah,
conflict.
exactly.
Croatia gi land mayam Manipur gi tawgiba antiga. Croatia you fell in love with a Croatian. Croatia hai ganda kari khalle. All those conflicts and things didn't come to your mind?
No, because they finished the war. They are very peaceful now. I even find out that before I fall into deep everything, So that's why I went to visit the country, and I see it very peaceful. Yeah, and I like it. And moreover, I'm in love, so I have to go ahead.
Tell us something about Croatia.
Now,
Nipan Mapan.
Yes, Nipan and half.
Okay.
Almost Mapan.
Tell us something about the Croatian society. They're basically Christians?
Yes, they are basically Catholic.
Catholics.
Yes.
Are you a Catholic?
No, I'm not. I was a Baptist. Yes. But for me,
no
every
issue.
religion is the same,
Okay.
Like I'm from a Christian background and my husband is a Catholic. But when I settled and when I started doing my job, I became more Hindu. Hindu means like I get tuna. Because like they see me as a Indian woman, the treatment chatpani heba. So when they came, are you really Indian? Like you don't look like Indian. Moine di khan bedi mayang masak mande sineba. Most of them, not every of them. I say okay, I have to explain all over. I Manipur de gani Manipur have shumhai na map ta laye. So I khoi look shum ta. I say don't explain ta already. And then so like that was a very.
The moment you said you're from Manipur, more questions.
More questions. The moment I said I'm in Manipur, where is this? But there are some people who don't know, and then how come you look, your looks, and even your accent, nang nangang ba siya, mo na kan ba di India si di ayam ba mayang ni hay nakang mo siya labor ko. So I did totally different with it, and so many questions arrive, but I enjoy because it's a part of my job, not only giving them a therapy, but I have to talk to them, talking and consulting with them is also a part of my job. So I really enjoy.
So tell us a little bit more about Croatian society. Hatara moigi leiba kamang tawi this.
They are very.
Weather kamang tawi.
The weather is very beautiful in summer. It is now they just became a European Union 2 years. Huzik moise summer da tourist am lai like and winter moise they have a coastline island like that and it became one of the how to say latest happening touristic country.
Okay.
Yeah, and mohigi source earnings eh ayamba summer da. Like 6 months, muna 6 months earn daw base ngasay coastline som island da. Then they can cover the whole winter. Winter the whole Europe is ingida na. So whatever they earn during summer, moy akoy Asia rom na lai ba. Like say Goa, for example, Bangalore da yam chatne, and then Thailand, and they cover up. So and they are very how to say friendly people, very hardworking. They have to in Europe.
Joint family system labra
No.
How is it?
Not at all. Yeah, I'm kitne.
Okay. You live separate with your husband.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, that's why you know what I went and I set my own Manipur de chatpani India den khudi family do am laijaning ba. So I itom dan iche ka same like I met a very beautiful woman, very good, who loves Indian culture and tradition. Then she became my client. Then now she became my sister. I have a sister in Croatia.
Okay.
I have a godmother, godfather, and I have a best friend. So I make my own circle like our Manipuri type, you know.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm not alone.
Okay. Although, what about the food style? The food habit ti jaga jaga khena bani na. Khar diswen khena bani. Ngari phangam moi.
Oh, ngari. I always take ngari, but you know, already roasted, ready-made. So I always take.
What about your husband?
Oh, my husband doesn't love. No, he cannot. No, he didn't get angry, but he doesn't like. So I don't bother him. This is my food. I have to eat. I cannot stay without rice and umorok and you know.
Generally, moi kari chai. Adum staple.
Generally, they have a bread. Bread se koi kicha gumboy redena, and then potato, and they are into so much into sha gumba chai because it's a cold country. Salad. Yeah. Ado for me.
Chak ti chade moi.
Chade. I aduga I di chak. Yaudane di laibang hamde.
Okay. So you kano hai tare ko dangi menu se you include a little bit of European, a little bit of Manipuri. Thong bada ani thong bi film labra.
No.
No.
Yes. Like they have mostly.
You haven't taught him how to eat rice.
Yes, yes, with the hand.
Yeah,
yes, he tried, but you know he give up.
Chak chade, ma.
Chak chade marak ta chai. Sometimes.
Like we eat puri sometimes. Adugi type.
Yes, something like that. Like we.
Okay. Aduga khoi cousin hagadra khoi iromba kari gumba sum nang chaning ko dum yong ni ada.
Marak tem chaning, but my favorite Manipuri dish is kangsoy. Yam ai thongale ada. That's my daily food, rice and kangsoy. Hoi dry fish laye.
Ada thok pran tra ka pura.
Puba shidagi.
Okay. What about the Indian community? Indian gi khoi Bengali, atopati laita bra.
Laye Indian embassy and some business people. Yeah. Laye moi. But I hardly meet them, but I'm very much with the Indian embassy. With time to time, like India ki festival na Diwali, gumba, khoi National Day, gumba. So I am the decoration tawe.
Okay.
Like Indian ki style tawe hebako. So this time I'm trying to get our Manipuri, khoi Wangkai Pi, Mapan gumba. I'm planning to collect and take there. Okay. So next time
you want the theme to be Manipuri theme?
Yes,
okay.
Mixing up. Yeah. Abhi India shi ayam basari de mina khange ba. Kuch Manipur de ayam phazaba sari laye Wangkai Pi, Wangkai Mapan something, you know. Ay puning pugani.
Okay, okay. So Manipur de gini hai matam da. Croats when you say you're Indian, first thing first.
Yeah.
Indian man de hai. Next thing the Indian ki karai dino hanga ani Manipur ne. How do you introduce Manipur hai tare? Manipur se Croats sing da kamai introduce to gesine.
I used to tell them we are from northeastern of India, which is very close to Burma border. Yes, and Manipur.
They know Burma.
Yes, they know. And then nowadays they just see the map and they know where it is. So they ask us what is the culture, what is the tradition, like you know. I said that we are like, how to say, we are very friendly people. ayamba khusi Manipur si friendly oidena. Maybe they have been to some part of India. For example, Kerala gumba, Bangalore, Delhi gumba chalam gane ba. Akoi di totally tungale ko. So like I told them, look at me as I am. We are like this. We are very simple. We are very friendly people, and we are sincere.
Nangi husband di Manipur lakra.
Not yet.
Not yet.
I'm sorry to say, but he will come. I'm going to get him.
Is it because he's too busy with his work?
Yes, because he has holidays during summer, and summer is very beautiful there. So he wants to come during a winter, but during winter, I'm totally occupied. But I will bring him because now I'm planning for a OCI, like we say, overseas citizen of Indian. So I'll be also applying. I will apply for the Croatian nationality. Then I have to surrender my Indian passport. Then I have to go.
OCI.
Yeah. Then I have to apply for the OCI. Then I will apply together with him, so that he can come to India, Manipur whenever he likes. Give him a choice.
Okay. Now, any mother hai tare, mama mana, machanupi, machanupi luhongi tu ini di khali ko mind. But so far away. And then adu how koi India gi natabada mapan ongi ne basida some kind of di laitra.
My parents.
How did she take it? Come on out.
Oh, they asked me like they were very sad. In fact, why you have to marry very far? My daddy, he still thinks that I'm not that far because he's young already. Since I'm the youngest in the family, so they were not very happy. Seven. I'm the seventh. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters. 2 sisters.
What are they doing?
They are all as my parents loves and they like government employees.
Government employee. Okay. So tell us about how your mother took when you said you were going to get married out of the country.
He said that she told me that why? Karigino. Nupa shupang pangda bazar la kulamda. This kind of question arrives. And I said that it's not ima ay sumay na mapan nungshishu nungsine do na mapan thukninge, not only for the love. It is number 1 is for the love. I'm sorry. Adubo laido na ay na isan dum thukchaning bado. So like this helps also. Not mayung pandar bidi foreign thukpa bishu jam lubani ne because like I have to have I mean nowadays people are very educated. The job leads them, the technology, the intellectual leads them. But during my time was not very much possibility. So nupiya mo na foreign da mayung pandar bishu thukpa di jam lai ko because you are married and like he can be the full responsibility.
Okay.
Yes. So it was not that easy for my mom to accept it. So she came and stayed with me 1 month in Delhi with us. Then slowly she tried to accept. No, yaudari.
Pugni.
I don't think she's too old.
Okay, she's too old. Okay,
so sad, yeah.
Okay, anyway, we'll take a break here. Break again, but stay with us. Break in Matungda, Hanana from Chandel, Zagreb, Hoba, Karmani Yawi, the activities, the hobbies that she took up and she music locally, hobby kari no adu khana se stay with us.
Mano nung tagi chari ba maru marang yaw bachingjak sing siyang. Masin hakchangi pangal amadi liver sohan batana tana. Pok naba acidity cha batum dabana chingba kya narak priya.
Imana pirak pakcang ngakuk na bihidak lai risidi lipset namana ba singa nungtiri party sanga chadrabadi sukya magya tabra adum na khang dramale masina pukna ba thinbagi awa ba thohan ba yai
lipset nungtigi chabana acidity cha batum daba khong ha ba ya daba phali adu chak su lamal le
liver bu farabadi punsi su super hit oire.
Welcome back. You're watching Manipuri Abroad. Diaspora Speak ning asi program se break mawangda khoi hanaga niwari sarmi se ena Chandel dagi niko. Tell us about your childhood hai tare Chandil exactly kai degi no
Chandil Kulen, properly Chandil degi. Yes.
Kai tam e kamai tawi and angang oina nangi aim je kari were huji oi ri di khar khen abra
Khetne hoy. Yeah, I was grown up in a very St. Peter's school as a childhood. So and then after my high school was in Komlathabi, and then we came to the GP. So like when I was small, you know, I was also being the youngest. I see like I was very pampered and more pamper atombini na aduga like am pamper shu phange aduga krisira encouragement shu yam phange khoi iche khoi yam ba khoi degi ko. So like I used to love singing as a childhood, my hobby. I used to sing in the church, you know, even if I don't have nice voice, I try, you know, since I love it. Then so sometimes my uncles pull me out like in Kundal Hongba Gumba Labor Kanda, I think the social gathering Gumba Taudra ko, Dukanda, so quick uncle Malerame. At the time, he married a Manipuri, very beautiful lady from Manipur. I think at that time he was in love. So I used to sing this some Manipuri songs and English songs, whatever, you know, we know. Then one day he pulled me out. I still remember that memory. So there was a function of wedding labor. Sorojini had a ganupi say how so he told me when I so I was ready and he told me that you have to sing. I was prepared. I still remember, I think I was around, I don't know, not even 10 at the time. Then I came out, so people were thinking that the real Sorojini is Lakani Khanbaneba. I pick, then they low down the microphone, those kind of. And then he started, and I was singing that Manipuri love song. Athapada Kauraganu. Yeah, I know, you know, like I forgot the wording now, but those days. And then like every bus, I don't know. It was amazing. And then I can't remember that very moment of my childhood. So that starts to be on how to say to be in
hobby
yeah, that leads you in the open and all this. So during my high school life, I should say high school in Komlathabi, I was also a lot of leading in the choirs and church, even solo singers in the church. And then in the GP, I came to GP Women's College. So those days, GP during 90, 92, 93, 94, it was like happening, you know, like the most fashionable, the most beautiful ladies. And it was only for the women, but the gate was filled with the guys.
Waiting for you.
Yes, waiting for the beautiful ladies, fashionables to come out, you know. And like
so GP tamido fashion dono tamuira.
No, actually not, but you know, it was one of the. So I got selected in the Tampasana, TZ Tampasana High School, but they were wearing a uniform. It is very interesting. So I really don't like to wear uniform. Like I have enough one uniform when I was in those high schools. So I switched on to GP by myself, and then I started, going around with Manipuri friends and some friends from everywhere of Manipur. And then like they asked me that I have to form a student union, a tribal student union of GP Women's College, because during the time of general secretary elections, I tribal kosi shuti hek chale ba vote tha gumba leite. Kadungai election, general election lerga koi yum da shuti chat kira. So but and then I was convinced and I came to know that they have to involve. So I started to form the Tribal Students Union of GP Women's College. So I was the first president. Yes. And then I tried to convince my friends that we have to vote. We have to have a school general secretary, school union and this. So I was very much involved with my Manipuri friends. And adu kandi maite lonchu yam chumlame. Hujikti it on even my own mother tongue, Anal, power. Haye, but adum ngangraga kadaidara automatically it goes to English or something like that nate tawshinnaban ta bako sir
mayam khali foreign da chahi amani leita ga di maiteron kaure
kaude for me never I never forget
but
I didn't even forget the song see
okay
yeah so
we'll have a little bit more of a song but adagi GP Women's College dagi where did you go?
I went to Delhi. I finished my graduation in GP Women's College. So I went to Delhi mostly to do my university, I mean MA or whatever. But then I changed my, how to say?
Your stream.
My stream. And then I study as a Vidya Bharati Institute. This is a kind of institute. Training center. So I study PR like public relations because I always want to go abroad. Then I said I have to work in the hotel or in the airlines that will take me out.
Okay. So from your kind of school days dagi mapanda thabak tawba heba sigi just kind of neba nangi aim mama
hoy. So I try my best ko kram haina already this line is already mapan thokpa do libra hebedo so I went for that
mapan pung thok thokre
hoi di pura thok
okay
so I went to do the training and my first job was in a 4-star in those days you call the Kannaught Bhavane Junction and there they told me that I have to wear a sari then there was another thing first thing came out when I never wear sari like as a girl from Manipur and so on. Then, okay, I try, I make it. Then after that, I also apply for some more jobs. Then I was working with the Kuwait Airways in a city office as a front desk assistant in a director's office. Then after that, I started having good experience of job profiles. Then I was working with the embassy, with the Zimbabwe High Com. Adudagi, I make my life totally go ahead.
Okay, so that Zimbabwe embassy, dagi never you change your track never.
Yes.
Okay.
Hana hotel dagi airlines dagi embassy. Aduga dum embassy thabak tawar unare. Then it leads me.
Okay.
But
okay, tell us a little bit more about nang no ki kanoda tawriba Zagreb ta embassy ka pullaga tawriba je kari no seminar me tawriba do what is the exact objective hai tare ko
because as I said fortunately I was the first Indian woman because the country sham chao de ba moy so who has this Indian beauty and spa gumba ko like whenever anybody they find out Indian Nupini, Indian Geshumhaina culture, expand taubani, treatment. So, embassy ko interesting way. Aduga support taubani na. So, they used to give people my numbers, contact hana. So, if anybody kana na kari India hanin mo ay number hai pieba.
Okay.
So, and then after that, Huzik say I tied up special in such high ko India ki some kind of celebrate when we have some national day, some Diwali. I am helped away. So like I think I have told already.
Yeah. And but you also told about singing also there.
Oh, singing. Yes. There, whenever they have a function, once they told me, so Hana among the Indian Nupi, the Isai Sakpakana, Nupi, Mushi Sakanje, Mushi between all those program organizers, whatever Zani. So somehow, I don't know, somehow they came to know that I'm not a very good singer, but I think so. They asked me, so you are from Manipur, you have to sing one Manipuri song. We are having a Diwali party with all the different part of the world. All the Mui Diwali, the diplomat mayam shukaweba. So it is very, very.
So it's kind of an international
community, yes, and gatherings. So they asked me, Manipuri say sakadobune hai. And I don't really remember what I will sing or what, because it was very like. So I thought, and then what comes to my mind, I said, I cannot. Isai yamadulu na padareba. adu ise khar matek te dum ningsingba. So I say why not, I can just combine. And then what I'm doing, like what I'm talking about Manipur, Manipur is like a land of golden. Khoi Manipur yam ai phajana ngang he, but because I don't know, I still love our native place. So I sing that song was the Sana Laibak Manipur.
Okay.
Yeah, but nowadays the tune is different. But those days when I was small, I used to listen as like a different tune. So I just sang that, and then just before that I how to say, sing that one Manipuri love song also.
Okay.
I think that was from Maichak.
Okay, Maichak.
Yes.
Okay. You watch Manipuri films?
Those days.
Okay.
But yes, sometimes now also on YouTube whenever I'm free.
Okay.
So that was from the Maichak, like what Lata Mangeshkar was singing the first Manipuri song, if I'm not mistaken. I was too young.
Okay.
So I was singing
that.
The which okay. You want me to sing?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, that's nice. I don't have a beautiful, good voice, but
It'll do.
Sana Laibak Manipur, Koloy Nangi Manipur.
Okay. So
I
maybe what I'm not a singer.
Yeah.
You sang this song.
Na Mangal Chaubini.
Okay.
So I used to say, land of golden Manipur, Manipur. You know,
used to
like I
translate it again in English.
Again in English.
So that they'll understand.
They will understand.
Okay.
And like everybody will start clapping. And
Okay.
that's it. But the love songs, I think it will be. I don't know if I could sing.
Okay, but some loiselakpada tapering down conversation haitare ko akogi all of us haitare ko loinamakse we have high hope, high ideals, goal set tawe mapan chat pokapa chatle na huji leire. At the end of the day akogi you, like you said, you love your native. So do you have haitare nangi mind? There may be thousands of young women like yourself ko yeng mamasu spa gi tawna mapan tan khotting bada kari, what are the kind of advice that suggestions that you would give them
To our youngsters?
Yes, nangi kind of the profession that you are taking, how good is it, can they really make a living out of it, and if they want to do it, how to go about doing it? Nang VLCC da tamne na ko adumaina kari
Hoy ngasay I do larik I was studying to be, I don't know, like
you want
M in life lay ba adubo nang ni M in life to success oidrashu, there is always a way. And if you try hard and if you do your job well, aduga dumatak tashu hard work habisi important way, because when we work hard, people knows our performance ko. And then I really want to encourage our my young Manipur girls, any tribe. There is a hope, and we are very exotic. We are very talented, as grown up in Manipur, like a mixed culture, religion, tradition, mixed neba Manipur. Even if it's a small state.
It's like a mini country.
Yeah, many in a small state, but it is all mixed up. With that, ngasi ako na mix oidana ko. Chowkhat pashu chowkhatle mi gilam thokpa kanda. Because of that mix of religion and tradition in Manipur, and tribes and whatever Manipuri, that leads us to be very smart and to be strong. What we do and
adjust obangame.
Any kind of circumstances. And that's all. And there's a hope. Why not? If I can do, they can do much more.
Okay. So ultimately, sidadi adum amuk lagningani ko.
Hoy, every year lagse, I came every year. Yeah, lagninge. You mean in?
No, but at the end of the life, is everyone wants to come back and settle down its own roots. But in your case, it's going to be mapanda sidagi akhoi family yaurga laigiba dum yawi. Citizen US ki logdana. It's easier for them to come back ko, because my partners who Manipur dagi, masu Manipur dagi. But in your case, as a ahanwera kanda as a Croat when adum ada potha ki doribra natraga sida lakadoribra, how are you going to adjust your own
Okay, right now.
see my you hoi kok ta na sing da
Hoi.
loi lem ngane ba
Hoi.
getting married to a foreigner is an issue itself natro
Right now, I just say that whatever will be. But like when I get old, ko ada di ahanoy na hingbasi katang di luwe ko, especially according to hisira, especially winter gumbada, ay nasum yengbada, ako'y lamsidi am nungaye in winter, no? During we have sunshine and all these things.
Snow and
Why snow kara heavy way winter. So I adum yengbada hanoy ba kanda snow de hinga do obsidi kara di like
Why?
I'm to be very frank, you know, but I hope I don't discourage my friends or my sisters and whoever are the settled of who discourage to banate. So like I used to say, ay hanoy ba kandi hanlakani. Ay huzik angang oy ba kanda. I mean not very angang, but when I'm strong and when I can do, tabak tawgani. Oh, aduga ay earn tawgani. Hayang matung if God's will and if I live long, I di hanoy ba kanda hanlakani. I want to come back to masana laiba.
okay aduga what about your husband?
My husband, if he wants, he will come with me. Obviously, now I have been with him, he has to come back.
Okay.
Maybe.
So
Yeah, but I don't insist him.
So you're going to put him in a tight spot. But hi matungina mo joint family later na.
Hoy, they are very independent that way.
Once he gets retired, magi job to retire tokda gadi.
Hoy.
Pretty much he can settle anywhere hai tarene ko.
Yeah.
So adugi hope ta nang
So hoy katang easy life to kan bata ba hanoy rakpa kanda. Moi gi old age home gumba di hospital ga mane ko kaya it's not very interesting learning there ba.
so you'll
I'm very straightforward, you know. I'm very sorry if I discourage any of my friends. Mapanda lay ba ko na punshi sidri phawa ada sijage haiba lay di mi si tunga le ko. Aduna I really ask them forgiveness if I defend their
offense.
Yeah.
Anyway, so in future probably nangi great husband though will come to Chandel and be a Chandel citizen.
I hope so.
Okay, let's hope your dreams come true.
Thank you so much.
It's been a great journey from Chandel to Imphal to Delhi to Zagreb, and hope your new business venture takes off. Thank you for joining us here at Impact TV studio. Masini ngasigi Manipuri abroad ki diaspora speak ta Hana Analni. She's married to Christian Blazik, and Croatia da huzik settled down later. Citizen oidri oinabadi honari. At the end of the day, mi khuding makta magi apamba si strong way targadi adum phangani habaduni ahogi hena na piriba message. So any one of you out there who wants to go abroad, work, tawingba leiba adum honaradi ngamgani haba message duni. With that, ngasigi wenadi Manipuri speak diaspora speak. Thank you for watching us, and thank you Hannah for joining us.
Thank you so much.